Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create a Google site. Google's actually made it pretty easy to make a website and publish it. So after you click on that link that I gave you on Google Classroom, you're going to be taken to something like this. Actually, you're going to be taken to a login screen. So just log in with your Delta Learns account. And then you can choose whether to go with a template. There's a whole template gallery here, or just create a blank page. So that's going to be up to you. If you do choose a template for your website, um, like I'm going to choose this one here just randomly, choose one that you like. You can always delete things or modify things, type in text, add things to it. So sometimes it's nice just to start with a template and then just work with that and then modify things. Or if you don't like how these templates are, then just start from scratch. So once you get into the site, there's a number of options here. Each of these are different sections, which you can delete or duplicate or change the color of. So let me just take this section here and show you. I can change the color to one of these colors, like that. Or you can upload an image of your liking, either from your computer, or you can even do a Google search here. Or if you found an image already, you can upload it here, and then that will show up in that section. So let me just randomly pick that one. And there it is. Adjusting for readability. It's doing some magic here. The other option for each section is to duplicate it. So if I want two of these sections, or maybe I want two of these sections, I can click duplicate. Maybe I have the layout that I want, and I just want another copy of it. Then you can duplicate it and change whatever you need to change on there. All of these things are changeable, and you can format it however you want. If you want to delete a section, just go down to delete, click on that, and it disappears. You can bring in different types of layouts. So let's say I want this kind of layout where there's multiple images and then descriptions underneath. I can just drag that into anywhere I want. And once I drag it in, I can click on these plus signs to add images from wherever, or a YouTube video, or even a map, which is pretty cool. And then edit this text. And if I don't like it where I dropped it, you actually just click on this. There's like a handlebar here. You click on that and you can move it somewhere else. So it's super easy. Then you have other options here besides layouts. You've got collapsible text. The rest of these I wouldn't worry too much about. But you can add a text box. You can add an image. And let me just grab an image here. Car. And then insert that. And then all these things you can drag and drop to wherever you want, so it's pretty neat. Okay, if you do want to, you don't have to, but if you do want to work with other pages, like in this template here, you've actually got 3 separate web pages. You might want to divide up the questions about the coronavirus into 3 different sections. You can do that. So just go to that page and start editing. So go to this last page and start editing. If you want to add more pages, you go to Pages in this tab over here, and you can't see it because my face is blocking here, but at the bottom here, there's a plus button. When you click on that plus button, it'll let you add another page. If you want to change the theme, like we're on this theme right now, and say I don't like it, I can change the theme, and the whole website will change. Okay, that's basically it. You can always preview things by clicking this. It'll show you what it will look like to other people. Okay, and let me just go back. And you've got undo and redo here, and links. So you can add a link. So let's say I want this to link to some website. I just highlight the word by just double clicking on it, or dragging my mouse across. Maybe I want to highlight a bunch of words, and I can make that into a link. So I just click on Insert Link, and then paste the URL of wherever I want people to go. Just paste it there, and then it becomes a clickable link. And then finally, once I'm done, I'm going to hit Publish and give it a site name. It's not going to be a fancy URL. It's going to say sites.google.com/deltalearns.ca/ and then whatever you name it. If there's another website that's been taken with the same name, then you're going to have to change it. So I'm going to call this COVID-19. Click on Publish. And there you have it. So now I can actually go and, where's that thing? Oh, here, copy published site link. So I can click on that, copy that link, and test it out in a new tab. I want to link to, actually, hang on a sec. I'm going to test it on this tab. There, now you can see it. So of course, I don't want to link to about, I want to link to the home page. Okay, and so once everything checks out, everything's good, I'm going to copy this URL and going to go to Google Classroom, and you guys will be turning in your link so that I can mark it. Okay, so to turn in the link, you just click on, go back to the assignment, go into the assignment, and click on the Add button on the top right corner of the assignment, and then you paste the add a link and then paste this URL into there, and then I'll be able to look at it. In fact, you can share it with anybody you want, and they'll be able to see the same information. That's how you create a Google site. And if you have any questions, please do email me. Thank you.